Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're just gonna jump right in. So I'm gonna be doing 2 braids with the curly goddess ends. So as I've said in other videos, like I really model my page on transparency. So I really like to show you the first time that I've done a style. Also as a means of encouragement, because if I can do it, you can do it too. So quick tip before we jump into the whole backstory. When you are doing 2 braids, it is imperative to go inside and also gel the client's hair. Like, in other words, what I'm saying is sometimes when you're dealing with a much thicker texture like this, one layer of gel doesn't always get it as sleek or as smooth as you want. So if you just kind of split the hair in half, gel underneath, and then go back on top and then gel the top layer, that oftentimes gives you a much sleeker and smoother look. And if you watch this video till the end, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So it's pretty funny how we even ended up doing this style. Originally, my client wanted the 2 braids with the curly ponytails. That's a style where you do the 2 feed-in braids and then you have the curly ponytails at the bottom, which can either be sewn on or glued on. However, the hair that was necessary for that style, or that I felt was necessary for that style, wasn't provided. So I was pretty much left to improvise. And just a note, or whatever you want to call it, but you know, as a stylist and as a braider, sometimes we have to improvise. Sometimes, you know, we ask for a certain brand of hair, the client may bring a different brand of hair. And while I understand that that might result in the, you know, complete loss of the appointment, in this case, I felt like we were able to improvise. All we had to do was look up a different style. We were still able to incorporate the hair that she purchased. So we went ahead, we found this style, and, you know, we just went for it. So in doing this style, one thing that I learned was that the pieces of the braiding hair that you add, these pieces you do not want to be too long. Because you're going to be incorporating the curly hair, you're going to kind of want the braiding hair, the pieces like that I'm adding now, you kind of want that to run out, if that makes sense. This way you have like a smoother transition once you actually start braiding down the curly hair. Then repeat the same steps on the other side. You may notice that I'm continuously combing her hair while braiding. And the reason for that is because I am not trying to achieve a stitch braid look for this style. The main goal for me for this style was that I wanted to make sure that her hair was laid down and that it was sleek. I didn't want to see any separation. I just wanted it to look uniform. I wanted it to look smooth. I wanted it to look silky, and I wanted it to look shiny. So those were the things that I was trying to accomplish in this style. And that's why you see me keep combing and keep combing, because I wanted to make sure that everything was nice and neat and together. If you like this video and you want to see this in like regular speed, just let me know down in the comments and I can do another video with 2 braids, and I'll slow it down so that you can really like grasp and see exactly what I'm doing. So I feel like I'm super chatty in this video, but I didn't really even talk in the last one. So, you know, I'm just excited about the style and I just want to catch you guys up to speed. So this page is 7 months old. I started this channel 7 months ago, and we have already gained 7,000 plus subscribers. So that's just amazing to me. And I just really want to say thank you for, you know, participating in this channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for all the encouragement. And thank you for just coming on this journey with me, because that's exactly what this is. It's just a journey. And that's just that. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please go ahead and just click the subscribe button. And then this way you'll be notified of all future videos. Now that I have passed not only her natural hair, but the majority of the straight braiding hair as well, I'm just going to go ahead and use a rubber band to hold everything in place. So guys, this is literally my favorite part. I like to call this the detail work. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my Shine and Jam silk edges to basically just tuck any loose hairs under the braid, as well as do her baby hairs. So at this point, I would normally use a wrap strip, but I ran out. So thankfully my husband had a fresh do-rag, and so we just used that instead. And just like I was saying before, guys, it's just about improvising and doing what you have to do in order to complete the style, of course, without compromising the integrity of your client's hair. Although I've shown the products intermittently throughout the video, I will link all products used below in the description section, just in case you are interested in purchasing, or if you're just interested in knowing exactly what products were used to achieve today's style. So I went ahead and took more mousse and ran it through the bottom of the Freetress hair. And I just wanted to say this too really quick. There's a lot of mixed reviews about using Freetress hair, that it tangles very quickly, which it can. So when it comes to these styles that are just two braids, or a style that a client is not gonna leave in long, I do not mind to use this hair. So I did use like a anti-frizz serum and then a little bit of oil sheen as well. And again, all products will be listed below. So before I removed her do-rag, I just wanted to take my blow dryer and go over the top of it on a cool setting, just to set the style while it was still covered. So this is it, guys. This style I really enjoyed doing. I loved the way that it came out. She loved the way it came out. And that's what really makes doing hair so rewarding, is that your clients are satisfied and over satisfied with the work that you've completed for them. So it was a win-win situation for me. I felt like, you know, even though we had something else in mind, this is what we ended up with, and we improvised and we were able to achieve a beautiful style, and I can't wait to do it again. Okay, so let me know what you think down below in the comments. I'm super interested to know, how you all felt about this style. And another thing we have to think about, guys, I mean, we are close to 10,000 subscribers and it's almost time for another giveaway. So if you have any ideas, be sure to leave those in the comments as well. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And most of all, God bless.